The business reports can be accessed from Reports, Business Reports. This area is divided into 3 sections: Sales Dashboard, Sales and Traffic, Detailed Page Sales and Traffic. The Sales Dashboard has 2 graphs here. One is for the number of units ordered and one is for the sales. As you can see here, the sales are for today, but you can change the date to a week to date, month to date, or year to date, or a custom range. You can change the marketplace, so business buyers, marketplace total, and non-business buyers, and fulfillment channel, fulfilled by Amazon and fulfilled by merchant. Let's just apply those changes. So after these changes have been applied, it'll show the sales from the year to date, total marketplace sales for both Amazon and seller fulfilled orders, and you can see how the sales have changed both in terms of units ordered and product ordered sales over the course of a year. The next report is the Sales and Traffic report. Here you can look at the daily sales and various other metrics across a time period of 2 years. You can change the range by moving the slider or selecting from the zoom, and you can choose the view by day or by week or by month, depending on the granularity you want. On the left hand side here you have a list of fields. Broadly speaking, there's sales data up the top here, and then there's performance data here of your listing, so for example your buy box percentage or your order item session percentage, and down here you have your seller metrics. If you select these items, they will appear as a column on this table. You can then also add or remove them to the graph. So I'm just going to add a few of these to the graph. And we can see how they vary over time, and the metric is stated up at the top. The 3 different reports here, which are shown under the by date heading, all have the same data which is available here in this list of columns. The Sales and Traffic one focuses on the account level performance, so the ordered product sales and the units ordered, for example. The second one here, Detailed Page Sales and Traffic, looks at the performance of individual pages, has for example your page views, your buy box percentage, and your unit session percentage. And finally, Seller Performance looks at the performance of the account in terms of things like refund rate and negative feedback and A to Z claims. The third set of reports here is the Details by ASIN. If you recall, the ASIN is the Amazon Standard Identification Number, and that is effectively the Amazon stock code. These 3 reports here all show the same data, or just a different view of the same data, and all the different options available can be seen here in this list of columns. The first and the third report, Detailed Page Sales and Traffic and Detailed Page Sales and Traffic by Child Item, both show details of performance of child items within your account. The middle one here shows the details by parent item. If you recall, a parent item would be a type of item, and a child item would be like a size or a colour. So you might have a fur coat, and that fur coat will come in sizes medium, large and small. So the parent would be the fur coat, and the child item would be the 3 different sizes. This data is broadly divided up into performance of the listing, so the page views, buy box percentage, and the orders. Just to make things a little clearer on the parent-child SKU front, if we look at the parent item report here, we have this parent item here, which is the wooden peg puzzle. This will show the performance of the whole variant set, whereas if we look here at the Sales and Sales Traffic, which has it by child item, it'll show just the performance of one of the variants, which is the farm peg puzzle. If we look at these listings here, this is the listing for the whole set, and this one here is just the farm puzzle. You see it's got selected farm puzzle there. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.